Namaste. Thank you so much for taking out your time to watch this video. I believe you all will practice them and keep yourself healthy and happy. So let's learn 4 ancient techniques which are very powerful to help us in this corona phase. These guidances can be practiced by the corona positive people, the family members of the corona positive diagnosed people, and the people in general, so that we can prevent ourselves and improve our immunity so that we can fight the corona to enter inside our system. So these practices can be practiced by irrespective of the age. The age of the person doesn't matter. Anybody can practice it. There is no side effect at all. So don't get worried about it. Please do practice with your belief and with your sincerity towards yourself and with a sincere breathing technique. Inhale and exhale. Throughout these practices, you will continue your inhale and exhale so that whatever the energy will emit from these practices will improve the complete system and it will reach out to the each and every cell of our body. So let's start. Before that, let's chop our nails so that we will not hurt ourselves during the practices, and let's wash our hands completely and come to the practice. So what is the first practice? Let me tell you. So first point is, this is a acupressure point. This is on your above of the head. How to identify this point? Keep your both the thumb on the both side of your ear, right? And try to meet the middle finger on the top of the head. Wherever the middle finger is joining, that is the point which will be practiced throughout this days. So how to do that? This is the point where we have to, acupressure is done through a pleasurable pain pressure we have to exert. So press this point and release. Press and release. Press and release. While pressing, you exert a little bit of pressure so that you can feel a pleasurable pain. This acupressure point name is 100 diseases and 1 solution. So when we will press this point, this will improve the whole circulation. It will balance the blood pressure throughout the body and it will de-stress the body. It is a very good point to de-stress the body, de-stress from mental level, from the physical level. So to improve the circulation, to de-stress our system, to improve the energy of each and every cell. So let's practice this point 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and evening. Each time you will press it for 10 times. So let's move to the second guidance. So second guidance is on your neck area. So try to find your collarbone on both the side of the neck. Just move your finger on the collarbone and come to the front of the neck and find a protrude bone. Here I can find a protrude bone on my collarbone which is in front of my neck. So once you find this protrude bone, below this protrude bone the point is there. This is the very good acupressure point which will take care of your cold and sinus, your cough, dry cough. It will take care of your lungs capacity. It will enhance the lungs area. This is the lungs area. It clears the chest. It takes away your fever. It improves the immunity. It takes care of the kidney. So this point will help you to improve your immunity. So in this way, we have to press the point in the morning 10 times, in the afternoon 10 times, in the evening 10 times. And while pressing this point, we will continue our breathing so that whatever the energy will emit from this point will pass on to the each and every cell, and in turn we can get the immunity back. So let's move to the next guidance. Next guidance is a finger gesture. We call it as a Hasta Mudra or Mudra for lungs. So any kind of breathing difficulty or any kind of air passes related or any kind of lungs issues can be taken care of by this finger gesture. How to do it? Let's see. Take your both the hands in front of your face, and try to bend the middle finger and try to touch the nails of the middle finger and try to bend the first joint of the middle finger, and keep rest of your fingers erect and away from each other. The palms should be away from each other. Nothing will join. Everything is apart from each other. Keep it in front of your chest. This is a very light touch. You should not press too hard. Keep it very lightly in front of your chest and breathe throughout this practice. This finger gesture duration should be, the minimum time is 5 minutes. The maximum time is 45 minutes in a day. So it's up to you how much time you want to spend for your immunity, for your breathing, for your quality of breathing, and for your revival of your lungs capacity. So I'm just giving you the liberty to find your own time so that you can devote that time for your finger gesture. So by this way also we can improve our immunity, we can take care of our lungs. So by this way we can sit and practice our session through our breathing. So next move to the another practice. What is that? The next practice is a Jinshin Jitsu technique. It's a very good simple technique, just we have to touch some point. How to touch it and where is that point? So keep your palm like this, thumb apart and the four fingers apart like this. Keep your thumb on the crease of the armpit from the front side, and the rest four fingers should touch the shoulder blade from the side. Hold it like this and keep your other finger also like this on the other armpit, and rest four finger will touch the side of the shoulder blade. Just lightly touch it and continue your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. For this Jinshin Jitsu technique, there is no time limit. You can start with 3 breath cycle, means 1 breath cycle is called 1 inhale and 1 exhale is called 1 breath cycle. So 3 breath cycle means 3 inhale, 3 exhale. So 3 inhale and 3 exhale is the minimum limit and the maximum is up to you. So you can continue from 3 minutes to 20 minutes this holding in a day. But always remember that whenever you are doing any practices guided in this video, you have to combine with your belief and your conscious breathing. Then only we can get the miraculous result which will help you in improving your immunity. So I believe these practices you will do and it will help your family, your friends, your community, your society, and let's help each out. Let's reach out to each and everyone so that we can have a healthy health inside ourselves and inside others. With this request that we are going to spread this message to the largest extent and we can help others to be in a good state. So be in a good state. Thank you so much.